It's Thanksgiving coming up in America. I don't know, there's a lot of negative beliefs about it, so let's rebrand it. We're gonna put a bit of a Australian New Zealand twist onto one of our favorite desserts, and we're gonna do like a little menage a trois with the US aliens. Make it for your fam, make it for Thanksgiving, and let's get straight into the recipe. I've made it so easy for you guys to actually make the recipe, so if you actually want to make it, I highly invite you and recommend that you make it yourself, because it's easy, it's delicious. I didn't even say what we're making yet, but we're making a Banoffee Pie. This is my biscuits of choice. These are a vanilla biscuit. They're soft, they're tasty, and you don't need the rain! The rain! It's raining so hard today. Melted butter goes in. Oh, honestly, if you're still here, please double check that you're subscribed. And that like button is looking pretty enticing. Just do it now before you forget. 9-inch cake pan, get one of these. Get one of these! 9-inch cake pan. First time I'm actually trying this way, so if it comes out bad, honestly, not my fault. But I've been doing this for so long, I don't think it will. I've seen a lot of people were like, oh, spray oil is so toxic, spray oil is so bad. Yeah, they don't wash their ass, and it's like, bro, like, pick one. Anyway, this goes into that. The whole thing. The whole thing. I'm making a real thick biscuit base, because yum. It should naturally just want to form like a nice base. Just do this. You can be as perfectionist if you want. If you want to be like a hardcore fiend, I am the epitome of perfection. Just take your time. Thing is, guys, I don't even have like a sweet tooth like that, eh? I don't. Only when I'm like blasting running. Okay! 12:30. I'm so ahead of schedule. Do you know why? Do you know why I'm ahead of schedule? Because I try. I try hard. Okay? You watching, anything you want to do, try hard. No one likes to try hard. Everyone wants to be like, trying hard is for losers. And it's like, no, bro. Please try hard. Anything. You go do work, try hard. You want to make a difference in your community? Try hard. You want to make dinner for your family? Try hard. Try hard! Try! So don't let them fool you. Always strive to be the best version of yourself every single day. Because all of a sudden, oh, boom, we're one with the solar system again. This already in itself looks so enticing and so delicious. Like, I'm stoked. I'm stoked to even be seeing this. Like, oh my god, I made this. We haven't even finished yet. Okay, this goes into the freezer to set. I've got no space in my freezer. Anyway, what are we doing? Oh, we're doing whipped cream. Whipped cream, whipped cream. Where's the fucking cream? Where's the cream? Bro, why I don't want to get into sumo pose looking for shit in my fridge. So that means it's time to give some shit away. So we're adding a whole one of these in. 1 heaped tablespoon of icing sugar. That should be enough. And since I'm only using vanilla biscuits, I won't use that much vanilla. That's probably like a pinch. We are whipping these until soft peaks. It's soft and moves around into the fridge. This is what we have! I need to wake up! We have our biscuit base. Next is our caramel. I'm using dulce de leche, so on the screen you'll see exactly how I make it. That's why I love the Instant Pot. You can make dulce de leche and everything else is delicious. And it's come out like this. If you don't have an Instant Pot, what can you do instead? I'm trying to think, guys. Oh, you boil it for like 2 hours or something. If you don't want to boil it, you can buy caramel in the shop, dulce de leche, but they say condensed milk caramel. That's the size of my banana I'm going to be using. 3. Like, you kind of want to go for a silly amount, but nothing like outrageous. Cut them whatever thickness you want. I'm going for something, I'll say like medium to small, something like that. Great job! Okay, now we're just putting all the bananas on top. If you want to lay them like real nice, I think it will make a difference. And then once we got our first layer done, you just chuck them on. And then just separate them. So yeah, let me know what you guys are making for your Thanksgiving feasts. I always wanted to have an American friend to go to their house for Thanksgiving. Or even, what do you guys do for Christmas? Like, having 2 massive holidays so close to each other. It's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. I just want to come here and personally show you. Look how stable that is. It's real good having a nice soft whipped cream. I've had it before. But a little bit of stability goes a real long way. Bro, hold on. I'm putting this in the fridge. I'm gonna go shoo those birds away. These birds make me seem like I'm schizophrenic or something, eh? Anyway, dark chocolate, grater. If you think you're done, just keep going. And honestly, that's another video done, another recipe done. Just have a look at that. We'll unsheath it, see what it actually looks like, but it's groundbreaking already. Beyond exquisite. Here's the final result. Oh my god. I can spin it around. I can throw it up in the air. Stable as anything. Groundbreaking dessert. Let's cut it up. Let's have a slice. Oh, Banoffee Pie. Look how delicious that is. Thick biscuit base, you got a whole lot of bananas, cream, dark chocolate, dulce de leche, dark chocolate on top. This is a double portion because I've let it sit overnight in the fridge just to hold the shape. And I strongly recommend you guys do the same. Literally the size of my head. If you were to buy this at the shop, how much do you reckon you'd be paying? I'm gonna say like 25 bucks. Being generous. I genuinely think this is a $30 piece of Banoffee pie. But we'll get a bit of everything to start. Oh my god. Nah. That's too good. The flavors with the banana. Oh, and the banana's the star. The caramel enhances the banana flavor. Oh my god. And the biscuit base is perfect, buttery. And then the whipped cream kind of like mellows everything out, making it super creamy. And the dark chocolate just gives like a nice balance to everything. So it's not like overly sweet or just rank. I mean, it gets rank when it's overly sweet, but this is beautiful. No. Oh my god. If you have anyone that you like being around, or your family or anything, and you want to make it for them for Thanksgiving or Christmas, honestly, I strongly urge you to just give it a go. Like, honestly, this is what we're making. This is what you'll be making. You watching this video, you'll be making this. It's an absolute gem. It looks beautiful. Oh, it's just like heaven in your taste buds. But I'm gonna leave you all right there. Here's my Banoffee pie recipe. Again, make it for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or birthdays, any other gatherings that you have. Double check that you've liked this video already and that you're subbed up. Share to all your friends, family, office workers, classmates, everyone and anyone. Help me grow as fast and as hard as I can. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll catch you all on the next one.